know it's the Best Buy for carrying our CD. You know that one right there.
We are having a show tonight, for those of you that don't know. It's at the Varsity. I think it starts at 10. We'd love to see all you guys there tonight. Go home and buy everything here in the store. Go home, put it all up, and come see Saving Abel. It's going to be a party tonight. We will be celebrating because it's the birthday of Miss America. Oh yeah, and all these washers and dryers behind me, they are for sale.
I thought it was our dressing room.
It's not. I tried to do my laundry and it wouldn't even work. It wasn't plugged up. Alright, cool. So we're going to show you how music unites us all. You guys ready for a sing-along? Awesome. You know it, sing along. CCR songs on Have You Ever Seen the Rain?
Way back in the
Arch in the back. It's been